Hi there, Amit here for Advice Media, and what we have here is the Nexus 5 phone which comes with a pedometer technology, which is available for the developers and for the users to use with different applications, and we are going to demo it with the Moves application. As of now, you can see that we have already walked around 132 steps according to the application, while the other phone which we have here is the Galaxy Note 3, which comes with the Health application, which also tracks the step. Apart from that, I have a Fitbit device here which also is actually tracking my steps. The Fitbit also has recorded 1373 steps and the Note 3 is recording 1247 steps. I have been using all the three devices at the same time today, and the steps are actually pretty low on the Nexus 5, which is actually not tracking all the steps. So in fact, I would say that it's actually a fail, and Note 3 is actually pretty decent, while Fitbit is always perfect. So let me just walk for 50 steps and confirm the same data with you. So let's start off at 1247 and 132. So we walked for 50 steps. The Note 3 was at 1247, now it's 1295, so it has missed 2 steps, while the Nexus 5 was 132, it's at 180 right now. So that's around the same 48 steps, which means that the statistics are pretty decent, and when checking the same data with the Fitbit, the result should obviously be the same. It's at 1419 steps. So overall the statistics are perfect, but the best part is that the Note 3 actually works perfectly when the screen is actually off, but that's not the case what's happening with the Nexus 5, because it actually needs the screen to be on all the time, and that's a big issue, because I cannot keep the screen on all the time, and if you are a person who would like to use this for tracking your data all the time while the screen is switched off, then the Nexus 5 is not for you. I had actually thought that this would be a replacement of my Fitbit, but that's not actually happening. The Note 3 actually is perfectly able to handle the data even when the screen is off, but that's not happening with the Nexus 5. So this was a demo of the Moves application on the Nexus 5 and the statistics of the same. When I have been using all the three devices at the same time from morning, the Note 3 and the Fitbit would show us pretty similar results, but Fitbit and Note 3 has always shown accurate statistics, but it's not the case with the Moves application on the Nexus 5. So this was the demo of and a comparison of the statistics on all the three devices using different applications, which are actually respective to the same. Let us know in the comment section if you want us to test more, and what kind of test do you want us to perform. This was the demo of the Moves on Nexus 5. Do like this video to appreciate our efforts, and keep subscribed to Advice Media for more. Thank you.